To begin, we picked a 5x5 plot of land in the upper school garden. Afterwards, we weeded the area to get rid of unwanted plants. Next, we turned over the soil to better suit it for gardening. To mark our land, we surrounded it with rocks.
In order to create a better environment for the plants to grow in, we place manure on top of the soil and mix it in. Putting manure under or in the soil used to grow plants can have a couple benefits because it contains some plant nutrients, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. After we mixed it, we used a shovel to mark out separate sections for the kale, beans, and peas. We chose these plants because they all provide a good amount of protein and other nutritional values.
Once we chose our land, placed the manure, and planted the seeds, we then placed 4 stakes, one in each corner of our land. When we were confident that the stakes were secure, we began wrapping the chicken wire around the outside of the stakes and secured the fence on the hooks so it wouldn't move. We also tucked the bottom of the fence under rocks so nothing could get into the garden from underneath. After the chicken wire was wrapped around the whole garden, we used pliers to cut the access wire off.
We decided to make a greenhouse for this project. The reason behind this is to make sure that all of our plants can grow through the winter without dying. Along with the not dying aspect, we had the plants start from seed in early October, so it was not prime growing season. The greenhouse adds a protective layer to make sure that the plants will not freeze in the winter. It does it by taking the natural heat from the soil along with the sunlight that comes through the semi-transparent roof. The objects we used to make the greenhouse were simple. They were the chicken wire fence we already put up, garbage bags that we used as our sides, a semi-transparent large piece of plastic, and zip ties to make sure our plastic walls were secure.
Overall, working on this project had been successful. Our greenhouse provides a good defense so the plant should survive the winter. Some of the problems we faced include weeds and plants that were already growing in the area, so we had to clear some of it before any seeds were planted. Another problem was our greenhouse made it difficult to water the plants, and the water was not evenly dispersed among the crops. However, with rain, all the plants should get plenty of water.